Hey there, Kelly Bordeaux here again with a quick tutorial just for you, piano teacher, about how you can organize your purchased Boom cards inside your free or paid Boom Learning account. Now, this isn't a super difficult task, but Boom Learning Educator accounts are ideally set up for classroom teachers. So I'm going to show you some creative ways that I use to organize my Boom cards inside my Boom Cards library as a private piano teacher.
So once you've logged into your Boom Learning account on a browser, you will click on the Library tab inside your account to access all of your previously purchased Boom cards. So on the left-hand side of your screen is where you'll find the folders that you can sort and organize your Boom decks into. You'll see in your account Purchased, Purchased Unfolded, Self-Published, and Self-Unfolded. So in my example here, I'm working with my self-published Boom cards, but you will most likely be working primarily with the purchased folder and the purchased unfolded folders to sort your decks.
Inside your library, you're going to see every individual deck that you've previously purchased, downloaded for free, or published yourself if you're also a publisher. Just a side note here, if you've previously purchased bundles of Boom cards in the past, you won't see them organized inside your library by bundle. Just the individual decks listed inside your library, so just keep that in mind.
So now the choice here for you is how you want to sort your Boom decks into folders. I prefer to sort my decks by specific method book levels that my students are currently using. I find it much easier to assign the specific Boom cards to certain students by organizing my decks in this way. But you may prefer to organize by piano concept, theme, or something else entirely. To begin creating your own folders, click the blue button that says New Folder to add your first folder, and that's how you'll add a new folder every time you want to create one. To find all of your decks that have not yet been put into a folder, click the Purchased Unfolded tab. I primarily use WonderKeys method books with my students, so I've created folders named for all of the different WonderKeys book levels. So here I'm going to add my Boom cards to that WonderKeys Level 1A folder. I know that harmonic and melodic seconds through fifths are covered in this book, so I'm just dragging them and dropping them into the correct folder. All of these decks that I know are included in that book. Now this deck here I know covers seconds through fifths on the piano keys, but it's also an Easter deck. So if you're wondering, yes, you can sort the same deck into multiple different folders if you need it in more than one place. So here again, I've got that same seconds through fifths deck pulled up. I'm going to drag it to my Easter folder because I know it's likely I'll search for it both places.
Here's a quick hack idea for you if you're using a free Boom Learning membership. Remember, with a free membership, you only get to assign decks to 5 students. But using these folders for each of your individual students might be a workaround so that you could drag individual decks of Boom cards into your individual student folders, and then you know what you want to assign using the fast pin option throughout the year. If you're unfamiliar with what a fast pin is, I have another video that walks you specifically through this and how to play Boom cards using one, and I'll link that video in the description below for you.
You can also always sort for specific decks by typing in the title of your deck here in the search bar. Underneath the folders section, you can also choose how you want your decks to show up in your library, in alphabetical order, reverse alphabetical order, the oldest purchased, or the most recently purchased. And then you can click the little cart icon if you have any new decks of Boom cards that are in your cart ready to purchase. You can find them here. And then this icon is where you can access your wish list if you've saved any Boom cards there to purchase later.
I think that about covers the organizing and sorting of your Boom cards inside your library. The choice is really yours as to how you want to organize those folders, but I hope that gives you the quick steps you need to make the organizing process a little easier for you. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments below, and I'll be happy to answer them for you. If you want more Boom cards tips like this, be sure to sign up for my email list below. It will not only give you those tips coming to your inbox every Tuesday, but also an exclusive free deck of my boom cards that are only available to my email subscribers. Until next time.